Just subscribe my channel Comfort Tech and press the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Comfort Tech. Hello guys, as per your see title, how to unlock your Windows without any password. You just have to note down that you have to use this process as a educational purpose. You don't have to use to unlock anyone PC without his or her permission. I am doing this process with the help of command prompt. I am not using any kind of software, any kind of bootable pen drive. You just have to follow my all the steps. You just have to do same as I am doing now. Let's start with the process. For that, you just have to turn off your PC. Before that, I am showing you the two options: how to copy to folder, how to move to folder. See, just right click and see copy to folder or move to folder. How to enable these two options? You just have to see that I button and click on the link. I'll show you how to enable these two options. Let's start with the process. Time I am just record the video with the help of my camera, and you can see that option, or you can clearly see that on screen keyboard option. You just have to change that option with the command prompt. Let's see how to change this option with the command prompt. And at first I'll show you. I just forgot, as the example, I just forgot my password. That's all. Password I entered is all wrong. You can see that. You can see that on screen keyboard. You just have to change that keyboard with the command prompt. With the help of command prompt, we can change the laptop password or administrator password. For that, you just have to shut down your PC first. Shut down anyway. When your PC shut down, you just have to press the power button 2 times, and you just have to hold your power button in the second time, so you can see that you're preparing automatic repair. In every laptop there is a different setting. In Lenovo you can open this automatic repair with the help of a power button. When you press it 2 times and you hold it in second times, then you can start that automatic repair. Don't waste time, just go and subscribe my channel. After, you can continue. You can see that automatic repair is already started. You just don't have to click on restart button. You have to click on that advanced option. After click on the advanced option, you just have to go in the troubleshoot. After that, you have to go in advanced option. Click on the command prompt. You can see that the directory is started as a X. You just have to change it with the C. Have to see in which hard drive your Windows is installed. SMS, you just have to change the directory as a siege and just type a dir so you can see the directories that Windows. I just change the directory as a cd Windows. And then after again click on the dir, type dir, you can see that system 32. You just have to go in the system 32 and again type change directory system 32 cd system 32. Press the enter. Then you just have to make one directory as a osk.exe. You just have to change their keyboard with the command prompt. REN means rename. Rename your keyboard with the osk.exe.old. You just have to follow the same procedure. Don't forget any space anywhere. After the rename, you just have to copy the command prompt in the keyboard. So when you press on the on-screen keyboard, that time the command prompt will open. For that you have to copy the command prompt cmd.exe into keyboard osk.exe. Just press the enter, then exit from that command prompt and turn off your PC. Then again turn on the PC. Again you just have to click on the on-screen keyboard. Open the on-screen keyboard. Click on that on-screen keyboard. See, the command prompt is open. In that you have to type some command net users. With the help of that command you can see the different types of users in your computer. In my computer I am the administrator as a Ketul. Default account is some different, guest account is some different. For change the password you just have to go with the administrator account. You just have to again write or type net user Ketul space star. Here you just have to type your administrator account, then press enter. Okay, done. You just have to press enter. You just have to type your new password. You can't see that password, you just have to only type at 2 times. That's it. Your Windows is unlocked, or you can unlock it with the help of new password. See. Thanks for watching my video. If you are the new user, just subscribe, and if you are the old user, then just press the bell icon